Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Tosot portable air conditioner is starting to feel dusty, airflow seems weaker, or you simply want to keep it running smoothly, cleaning it the right way can help more than you think. Sometimes the Tosot portable air conditioner quietly collects dust and build up over time without people noticing, while other times cooling performance slowly changes because maintenance gets delayed. Since regular cleaning can help the Tosot portable air conditioner perform better and feel fresher during use, learning the proper process can make everything feel much simpler. The good part is that cleaning a Tosot portable air conditioner is usually straightforward and only takes a few careful steps. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to clean a Tosot portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the Tosot portable air conditioner before beginning any cleaning safely. Step 2. Remove and inspect the filter inside the Tosot portable air conditioner if dust buildup looks noticeable. Step 3. Clean the filter from the Tosot portable air conditioner carefully and allow it to dry fully. Step 4. Wipe exterior vents on the Tosot portable air conditioner if dirt affects airflow around the unit. Step 5. Check the Tosot portable air conditioner for extra water buildup and drain if needed. Step 6. Restart the Tosot portable air conditioner after cleaning and confirm airflow feels smoother again.